morning, students. Today we will discuss our new topic, that is the redox reaction. Beta, this word redox is made up of two letters, red plus ox. Red means reduction and ox means oxidation. These two terms you already study in your 10th class. That means you are familiar with oxidation and reduction. The reactions in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Redox reactions are those reactions. Beta, redox reaction are those reactions in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. This simultaneously is important. Both processes will going on in the same direction with same speed and at our time, in a time. Redox reactions are those reactions in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. That means, what is oxidation? What is reduction? According to your lower level, oxidation is the process of addition of hydrogen addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. That means from any of the reaction, if oxygen is added to the reactant, it will be oxidation, or hydrogen is removed from the reactant, is also oxidation. For example, beta, carbon, it will be burned in air. Carbon is burned in air. Air means oxygen. From the air, carbon burn with oxygen, it will give carbon dioxide. From where oxygen will become? From air. That means addition of oxygen take place. Addition of oxygen take place in the carbon. That means carbon is oxidized. That means oxidation process occur in carbon. Or you can say, this compound is strongly heated under drastic condition, it will give, this whole compound consists of hydrogen, but sulfur lose the hydrogen. Loss of hydrogen, we get pure sulfur. This process, removal of hydrogen, is known as reduction. Reduction occur in H2S. It is oxidation and reduction that you learn in your lower class. What is oxidation? What is reduction? Beta, what is reduction? Reduction is the process of addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. That is, hydrogen is added to the component, reduction, or oxygen is removed from the component, also reduction. Suppose you learn a reaction, nitrogen react with hydrogen in 1:3 by volume, that one, to give ammonia. To give ammonia, 2 moles of ammonia. Now, in case of nitrogen, it do not have any hydrogen, but after reaction it accept hydrogen to give ammonia. That means nitrogen is reduced. It will gain hydrogen. Nitrogen is show reduction. Why it show reduction? Due to addition of hydrogen. Due to addition of hydrogen, it is reduction. Or you can say better removal of oxygen is also reduction. How will you show removal of oxygen? That is, suppose this compound have oxygen, copper oxide, it will be react with hydrogen to give pure copper. To give pure copper. It have oxygen, but after reaction it lose oxygen. Loss of oxygen is reduction. Due to loss of oxygen. So we can explain addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen is oxidation, and reverse, addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen is reduction. Further, beta what are oxidizing agent and reducing agent? The chemical compound which show oxidation and reduction are oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. It is also known as oxidant. It is also known as oxidant. Beta, these are the chemical substance which help in oxidation of other. That means it lose oxygen from itself. Help in gain of oxygen of other. Oxidizing agent or oxidant is the chemical substance which helps in oxidation of other but reduce itself. Oxidation of other but reduced itself. Is known as oxidizing agent or oxidant. Reducing agent. Or reductant. The chemical substance, the chemical substance which help in reduction of other, which helps in reduction of other. But reduced itself, sorry, oxidized itself. Help in reduction of other but oxidized itself. It is known as reducing agent or reductant. Better you have an example right just now. Cupric oxide react with hydrogen to give copper plus water. Loss of oxygen, reduction. Beta, addition of oxygen, oxidation. The chemical substance which help in reduction of other, which helps in reduction of other but oxidize itself. This hydrogen help this compound to remove the oxygen, help in reduction of this one, but khud itself it will be oxidized. That means cupric oxide is oxidizing agent and hydrogen is reducing agent. Or you can remember the substance which show oxidation is reducing agent. The substance which show reduction is oxidizing agent. Which show oxidation, reducing agent. Which show reduction, it is oxidizing agent. Now another definition of oxidation and reduction. These two definitions, that is addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, or another one you will study in your lower class. But many of the reactions in our syllabus or in the chemistry which do not have hydrogen and oxygen, is there is no reduction or oxidation? Answer. Better there is oxidation and reduction. Yet the reaction may or may not have hydrogen or oxygen. Then how will you identify what is oxidation and reduction? Oxidation. Better oxidation is the process of addition of electronegative atom. Addition of electronegative atom. If in our reaction there is no oxidation and reduction, then we are moving on electronegative atom. Addition of more electronegative atom, that is the oxidation, or removal of electronegative atom. Removal of electronegative atom is reduction. Another one, beta, process of removal of electropositive atom. Usually metals are electropositive in nature. Removal of electropositive atom are oxidation, or addition of electropositive atom is reduction. Addition of electropositive atom is reduction. Removal of electropositive atom is oxidation. Removal of electronegative atom, reduction. Addition of electronegative atom, oxidation. For example, our reaction consists of Na plus Cl, 2, to give 2 NaCl. Beta, which one is electropositive? Metal is electropositive. Non-metal is electronegative. Beta, it is electropositive, it is electronegative. Loss of electronegative atom from this, we have 2 chlorine, and in this chlorine atom bond will be break, they will be converted into atomic state. Loss of chlorine take place from here. Loss of chlorine, that means electronegative atom. Loss of electronegative atom is known as reduction. Is reduction. And this electronegative atom will be added in metal, so it will gain of electronegative atom. Gain of electronegative atom is oxidation. The chemical which show oxidation acts as reducing agent. Acts as reducing agent. And the chemical which show reduction. The chemical which show reduction, that means reduce itself but help in oxidation of other, that is known as oxidizing agent. Is known as oxidizing agent. In our question exam, this question is of 2 marks. I will give you a reaction and state clearly, identify oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. You will identify oxidation, half marks, reduction, half marks, oxidizing agent, half marks, reducing agent, half marks. That question carry 2 marks. Further, there are so much puzzling terms, which is electropositive, which is electronegative. If reaction consists of oxygen and hydrogen, it will be okay. But when we want to identify which one is electropositive, which one is electronegative, sometimes it is puzzling. Sometimes it is puzzling. So to remove all these definitions, Peter Lewis explained each and everything in terms of electron. Lewis explained each and everything in terms of electron. Our fifth and important definition. Fifth and important definition of oxidation and reduction. Beta, oxidation is the process of removal of. Oxidation is the process of removal of electron, or you can say loss of electron. The process of loss of electron is known as oxidation. Beta, loss of electron means electrons are removed, given out. So these are also known as de-electronation. De-electronation process or de-electronation reaction in which electron is removed. D means removal. Loss of electron will take place. Suppose beta, each metal have tendency to lose their outermost electron. Sodium have one outermost electron. It will lose this electron and it will be oxidized. Loss of electron is oxidation. It will be easy for us which one lose the electron, which one gain the electron. Reduction. Reduction is the process of gain of electron. It is the process of gain of electrons from neighboring atom or from covalently bonded atom. Suppose chlorine. Beta, it has 7 electrons in outermost shell. By loss of 7 electron, it will form stable configuration. By loss of these 7 electrons, it will form stable configuration. Or by gain of 1 electron, it also forms stable configuration. Which one is easy? Loss of 7 electron is easy or loss of 1 electron is easy? Answer, gain of 1 electron. That means this chlorine gain 1 electron from elsewhere, from their surrounding, and become stable. This is known as reduction. Beta, this one is important definition. Number of time you use this definition. Actually, in your syllabus, oxidation and reduction defined by 6 ways. That will be defined by 6 ways. The 6th way, that will be the definition of oxidation and reduction, will be discussed after knowing the oxidation number. How this oxidation number will be calculated in the given compound or in element or in ion, either the simple ion or complex ion. That will be follow some rules. After knowing these rules, understand these rules, we can calculate the oxidation number of each and every element. That on the basis of this oxidation number, we will again define oxidation and reduction. It is the 6th definition. This 5th and 6th definition both are important, and number of times use these definitions. Thank you.